Alright, it's December 26th, 2011. Day after Christmas. It's cold. I'm gonna start bagging today. Now, as you can see, we've done some work out here on the home site. Trench dug. Got some gravel piled up, some dirt piled up to get started. Don't think that's near enough to get it all done, but it's gonna be a good start.
This is what the original house, or the main house, is gonna come from. We're getting our dirt to do the bagging on the guest house from here, so we don't have to buy it. You can see over there, Thomas is working on the very first bags. There's Carla watching. So, we've got about 4 bags in right now. But over here, we've been digging on this for probably 3 weeks off and on when we can. Thomas does most of it. Here's the ramp to get the wheelbarrow up. And then we'll put another sunken in room in between here and where that car is. And then another one not sunken in, right about where I'm standing.
We got the gravel layer done. One bit around. Probably could have got more done in a day, but being the first day, starting, getting it figured out, it'll go faster. And as soon as we can put a bag in Carla's hands, we'll get even more done. Okay, here we are on the home site. It is the, what is today?
27th or 28th? 27th probably.
27th of December.
28th.
28th of December. It's December 2011. As you can see, we now have a door frame, and we have started on the second level of bags.
Alright, it's the end of day 2 of bagging. We didn't quite get 2 levels done.
Baba Booey! Baba Booey!
Didn't quite get 2 levels done, but it's time to go. Here's what we did. That's where Carla's been sitting.
Carmen just wanted me to add that it's our 3rd day. We're about 1.5 feet up. Anybody doing rock better get on the ball if they think they're going to beat us getting it done. It's for you, Coach Stick. It's on.